Ever struggled with drips and streaks on shower glass or mirrors? Let's test the Kärcher WV electric window vacuum squeegee, a compact cordless tool designed to suction away water quickly and leave surfaces spotless. From countertops to car windows, it claims drip-free, streak-free cleaning, so let's see if it delivers. The Kärcher WV1 Plus cleans 3 times faster than conventional cleaning methods and is best used on smooth surfaces such as windows, showers, mirrors, tiles or countertops. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest updates.